Now, the area's most accurate forecast from Storm Team 5. Chief Meteorologist Luke Sampy.
Clouds still rather thick, and we have a southwest wind now, pretty brisk as well, keeping temperatures steady, if not warming a little here, as we have had temperatures warm about 2 or 3 degrees since our 6 o'clock report. It's 21 right now in Titletown, southwest wind at 14. And then we take you to Sturgeon Bay, where it's 20 degrees, still snow-free. Areas east and along the lakeshore and up through the Door Peninsula, you'll get the snow last as it's coming in from the west. 23 in Appleton, and again, a pretty strong southwesterly wind. Right now, snow, and it's beginning to develop pretty quickly, and these are not just light snow showers. This snow coming into Waushara County and Marquette and Green Lake County, that's a pretty good clip. Anytime you see a darker shade of blue or purple on our maps here on our radar, that's a pretty steady snow right there, certainly, or maybe even a heavy snow. As this continues to shift east, this is going to be our main potential for accumulating snow here tonight. It's just a narrow window. It should tally up somewhere between about a ½ inch to 1 inch of snow as it comes through. It's just going to happen in the overnight, and then when you get to the morning commute tomorrow, it'll be gone, but we'll still have to deal with some slick surfaces and snow-covered roadways. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice how a lot of this is gone. Then we take it to about the noon hour. Clouds, maybe a flurry up north. Then we begin to clear out. We're going to have a push of Arctic air come in tomorrow night and then last all of the hours of our Thursday. Snow amounts fairly meager, on the order of a ½ inch to 1 inch expected. So snow tonight, January-like cold arriving on Thursday, and this cold stretch has a little staying power. We're still got another 7 to 10 days of this at least before we'll start to see some moderation. And it does look like around the 15th or 16th of the month we'll get that moderation where we could have a quick, fast slingshotting warm-up into the 40s or even the 50s at that point. We'll have to watch that. 21 degrees for our official high. That's our current temperature. 19 up in Marquette, also in International Falls. Just keep an eye on the Arctic air. You see how we're on the southern periphery of it? This is all the way straight through the next 10 days. Here comes another shot. More Arctic air spilling south. Eventually, we get this ridge. This is very, very above average air mass out there to the west. That eventually will slide east once we get that trough to shift off, but it's going to be a little while. So 27 degrees for tomorrow, 12, my box is blocking a little bit, 12 degrees for your Thursday, and then we stay rather cold. Looks like 19 for Sunday as the Bears come to town at Lambeau. How about 32 degrees by the 10th, and then eventually cooling back down again. In terms of a substantial turnaround in temperatures, we're going to be waiting until at least the middle part of the month. So tonight, cloudy skies, snow develops overnight. Expect a ½ inch to 1 inch. And then for tomorrow, some morning flurries, otherwise partly cloudy for the afternoon. And relatively mild as well, mid to upper 20s for highs. Temperatures really crash though as we head into Wednesday night, a low of 0. We'll have wind chills of 20 below 0 Thursday morning, a high of only 12. We warm all the way up, Tom, to 23 on Friday, 24 on Saturday. Oh, and then we cool back down on Sunday.
Oh, boy. Are you and I going to make it home before the snow?
Oh, yeah.
Tonight?
Yeah, the snow comes in after 11 o'clock or midnight here.
Perfect. All right. Hold it off till then. All right.
Let's get sports going so we can get out of here.
All right. Thank you, Luke.